the Plants for Profit stall. We've made all of these succulents, sunflowers and watermelons, and we've all freshly grown.
And we also made pizza, garlic, bread and orangeade. We've made the ratatouille chutney, the strawberry jam and the grape jam. And then we've also made some banana bread, which is really, really delicious. We learned lots of things about different types of plants and how to make banana breads and pizzas from Mr. Mason. And when we've made them, it's been lots of fun.
My favourite part was growing all the plants and fertilising them. And then when we would have those long walks to the kitchen garden.
My favourite part was making the pizza.